So the Supra is ready to go. All our bags are in the back. I've got to go pick up Derek. It's about 7:30 in the morning. We have 2,600 miles to cover in less than 2 days. We're going to try to do this in about 36 hours. Yeah, so let me go pick him up. Let's roll. I'm going to hang out with our Cali friends, our fast fam out there, and hopefully nothing happens to the car on the way. 20 miles into our trip in California, and we're here at an AutoZone with the Supra, and Derek is putting, what do you put in there, Derek?
Spacers it.
Because we are carrying so much weight, and we have a very fat tire. These tires came off of Letty's 240, so these weren't ones that we had selected, just ones that we had laying around, which has been the theme of the entire car. We had those wheels laying around, the body kit, the wing. So anyways, recycled a lot of parts to make this into a Toretto Supra. But anyways, to stop the rubbing, we have purchased these rubber stoppers. Yeah, buddy. And hopefully this makes our ride a lot better, because if not, we're gonna start cutting some tires down very quickly.
All right, so we're packing everything back up now. Someone had to carry so much clothes with them. See, it's all your clothes, Gabe.
It's my hair dryer, my makeup, you know, all my facial products and stuff like that. It is what it is.
So does it help?
I don't know, ask the audience. Here?
When I was laying down.
Here?
Yeah. Huh? Well, you get a toolbox behind you.
Yeah, I know, but that one over here, right?
Oh. Yeah, the toolbox is over there. We have only driven 270 miles, and we still have 2,248 miles to go.
Our arrival time is 7:19, but just not tonight. That would be 7:19 2 days from now.
That would be our time or their time?
Their time. That's
their
Cali's
time.
I'm guessing this thing configures itself to different time zones. Who knows?
Well, I guess it would be through your phone.
Been wanting a Supra for as long as I can remember. Buy one, and within 1 month we're driving this thing cross country with a full body kit on here, and a bit of a surprise for our Cali friends. We're doing a whole different, how do you even explain that? We're doing the Fast and Furious Supra, but we're not doing the Fast and Furious Supra that you guys think that we're doing. Yeah, so yeah. Anyways, should be fun.
The big old wing.
Big old shopping cart wing, as they call it.
We fixed our rubbing issue for the most part.
Yeah, we're carrying some serious weight. Well, not serious weight. No. It's just that our shocks are weaker than what we had expected, and we do have probably about 100 pounds worth of gear back there. I'm guessing.
This is the first time two people have been in the car too.
Yeah.
So, and then yeah, we got the toolbox, a little mini toolbox just in case. So
everything is good. Temperature is good. Engine's running good. Like, we have 0 test time on this. We have maybe, what, 100 miles of just
between me and you driving it, yeah, around
driving,
the shop,
so
around the area.
This is kind of risky taking well, let me go back. We're not idiots. The car, you inspected it, we looked at it. The car had an amazing service history when we bought it. Carfax report showed like 77 different service records, so even though it's an untested car, it's a very well-kept car. I kind of wanted to do the whole trip with the Targa top off, but we got so much gear in the back that we really can't do that. But once we get in Cali, offload the gear, then we'll take the Targa top off, and it's going to stay off. I don't even care if it's 40 degrees at night.
I'll be fine with that.
Yeah.
I don't mind the cold.
I'm going to eat my words so I know me, because I'm tropical.
You're very tropical. You get cold very easily.
You can be bundled up like a Russian babushka.
I mean, look, I gotta look at watch the video. But oh, I look at why I drive the Supra.
Bro, are you insane?
Why?
What?
It's just a Supra.
It's a Supra with a body.
But I did stop her before she. I did stop her before she went down the dirt road.
There's so much of a scratch on this thing. You're repainting the whole entire car, not just the bumper, the entire car, and maybe even the wing.
What's the wing got to do with it? It wasn't there when she drove it, so you can't put that on me.
So we're at a gas station and we've got to adjust our headlights because they are way off and it is nighttime. So we had the headlights on, off, we had the body kit painted and fitted, so yeah, we didn't test these. And one is kind of like pointing at the ground and the other one's pointing at the sky, so not doing us any good on the interstate. So while we're at the gas station, we have two iconic Toyota vehicles, same color. What color is that? Is that Renaissance red?
I just know it's the original OEM paint.
Damn, I think that might be the same color. Anyways, beautiful MR2. Dude, I love the wheels.
Actually, I sold this car. I missed it so much, I found the guy I sold it to and bought it back from him.
Really?
Yeah, it's such a fun car to drive.
I had one of these. I had a blue one. Reminds me of the scene where Paul Walker's driving through the desert and all hell breaks loose on the three iced Civics.
Yeah.
And he ends up picking up, calling the helicopter in for Vince. Derek got a ticket.
I did get a ticket.
Derek got a ticket. Don't tell his wife. Derek got a ticket.
I was doing 89 and an 80.
9 over.
9 over.
If you are a state trooper, is 9 over a waste of time for you?
I believe it is.
It'd be a waste of time for me. I want that guy doing 20 over.
Like in Florida, if it's over 10, then they'll actually pull you over.
Right. 9 over.
That's including court costs of $144. On top of my, if I'm doing 9 over, $215 ticket. That's car parts.
So what, those combined together is $300-something? Or is it court cost?
$215 plus $144 for court costs.
State of Texas, y'all is crazy. We're gonna send it to the ticket clinic and we're gonna get it wiped out. That's what we're gonna do.
Got the VIN on there?
Doesn't Craig, he's got like,
Yeah, he's good. Yeah, that's stuff for ticket clinic.
Did you know that the average driver gets 9 traffic tickets in their lifetime?
It's the Craig. I'll just give it to Craig.
Craig Lieberman, you got
Craig.
a ticket.
Thank you.
Coming to you.
How long have you been in this car?
It's 10:38 right now, Florida time. That makes it 24 hours and 30 minutes
And we
that
have
we've been in the car.
14 hours left.
We gotta stop.
Well, that was a serious pothole, man. You caught that one.
You guys didn't see this on the video, but I just missed a crater in the freaking street. Woo!
And then under the seat here, we found some of that carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
So it's been there for a minute. It's got a coffee stain. So I'm assuming that's when they did the fake carbon on the.
It's got to be real. No. There's no way that's fake carbon fiber.
Yes.
I can tell by the weave pattern.
These take it forever. Why take it so long?
I had to get my coffee, and then I got this pretty cool. I figured we need to put some smell in the car, so I got this Cookie Monster doing something devious. I don't know what he's drinking. I don't know what he's plotting.
He's smoking. He's got something and some alcohol.
I think he got evicted from Sesame Street is what happened, and this is what happens when you don't do right by Sesame Street. Anyways, so what do you think?
That worked. What's the smell like though? You make this thing stink. I'm throwing it out the window.
Dude,
how much was it?
How can you hate a face like that?
I know, but how much was it?
I don't know. I didn't
care.
ask.
It's
I didn't
grape?
care. Yeah, I wanted black ice, but they didn't have Cookie Monster and black ice, and he was the coolest.
Oh man.
Yeah. All right, buddy.
Oh, that stinks.
It does really stink.
That really stinks. That's strong.
It smells like a
Don't touch me.
grape popsicle.
It smells like cough medicine.
Maybe that's what's in this little bottle here.
Exactly what I'm thinking too now. We're gonna record him doing his Instagram post.
That's for sipping, it's not for tanking.
Oh no, it's me and Tank, sir.
My God, you got...
Well, we make it, we got, what, 426 miles left, and this just happened. It scared the crap out of both of us. I wasn't ready for it.
I saw it coming.
You saw it coming? It scared me. I was like, oh, wait.
Nothing I can do about it. Heard the big boom. So we woke up this morning on this fine California day. We just got into California last night around about 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock, yeah.
Drove straight through from Florida all the way to California.
Non-stop.
Non-stop. Just stopped for gas. We are dog-ass tired, but we are going to get something very special done to the Supra this morning, which has got my adrenaline pumping. Derek and I had a bunch of parts in the garage that we decided to recycle.
We were just sitting there, we were just trying things out.
And then
came with the wheels, basically, and then the idea popped in our head.
Sometimes we have strokes, and sometimes we have strokes of genius.
I have a lot of genius strokes, I'll tell you.
I have more strokes than genius strokes, but anyways, yeah, so we decided to build a vehicle that is still it's fast and the furious, there's no doubt about it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
It's just with a twist, with confusion, with dyslexia.
Or what if?
Yeah, a what if.
Six or seven people try to race this on our 36-hour
Everybody
journey.
wants to race the Supra. Everybody wants to race the Supra.
It's bad.
Driving a Supra, guys, listen, the struggle is real. Everybody wants to race you.
Bro, this thing still runs. Look at this thing. What year is that thing?
No shit, it's one of those dual axle.
Yeah, like, dude,
Dude,
that's a GM thing, right? Yeah.
I bet when that came out, it was like shocking. Like it was like space age. Cool.
There's an air pump and there's an airbag in there. That's cool. This thing still runs. Oh, that thing still runs. DMC.
Wouldn't that be some funny shit if you had an LS swap? Like,
it doesn't tick like it's ticking.
yeah, I know. It's ticking.
You probably could do it. It's probably a 350. You could probably slap an LS right in that thing.
All cammed out headers.
Blah, 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 blah.
Roasting all four rear tires. So we are here at LRG Wraps and the Supra is inside. Let's go ahead and talk to the owner, Red, who put this together for us in a very short amount of time. He knew that we were coming from Florida and he made the impossible possible for us. So we greatly appreciate that. What's up, man?
How's it going, man?
Good.
Glad you made it safe?
Yeah, it was one hell of a trip, man. 2,600 miles. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it was pretty
To
crazy.
make it 7 hours in the car.
And we went nonstop. No hotels, no nothing. We just switched sleeping and he got fuel and that's it. So we made it here in less than 2 days. Yeah.
These aren't always the most comfortable cars to sit in.
Yeah. So let me ask your opinion. What's your opinion about this idea that we're about to do on this car? And be honest. It's okay. We want the good and the bad.
Well, obviously it's not true to the movie.
Right.
So if you throw that out and don't have that on you, it's fun.
Yeah.
And you do have the correct wheels.
Right.
You have the correct graphic. And
Right.
the correct color. So it's a different car.
Exactly. And we got the tan interior. We have the Just Driven body kit. This is the actual one that has been reformatted to fit the Supra much better than the other kits. So, and then we had the wing as well. So we're like, you know what? Let's make the first Toretto Supra. Why not? Yeah. He does a lot of wraps for the Fast family. When you guys see all those cars on Instagram rolling through Cali, this man has done pretty much all the graphics. 11, really. Yeah, definitely come check him out. He's obviously a huge fan, and he helps us out a lot. So if you have a replica that you want done in any capacity, this is the man you want to talk to.
Here's your graphics. You look for the sides here.
Oh, hell yeah.
And then you got your
The rocket ship and the blast.
basic layout here.
Oh, no, the rendering.
Yeah. And then you got the, all the different,
DT.
one side And then all the separate decals that go on there.
That's awesome. Let me ask you something, man. We had another little idea that maybe you could help us out with, and maybe not. I know we have just limited time. We wanted to put some of the cringiest lines of the first film just on the back window, just sporadically. Like, I don't know, like, nobody likes the tuna here, asshole. Just the stupid stuff. Are you able to do that? Or do we not have time to do that?
We could try.
Okay. But, man, these graphics, dude. I don't know if you know, so we own the real RX-7 as well. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this is going to be kind of cool to have this Supra next to our RX-7. And, man, I love, these are probably my favorite graphics of the films.
Yeah, when you look at every vehicle, they all have some kind of a robotic.
Right, the nuclear gladiator,
variation of it, you know, with the flame, you know.
Right.
The only thing I haven't got an answer for yet is why do they all have numbers and what is the correspond to? This is car number 3.
Right.
I'm gonna have to text Chad, or not Chad, but Craig Lieberman. See if he knows. Because each of them have numbers to it, but nobody's been able to tell me, does that mean anything? Is there an order to this, or is it random?
I don't. Yeah, it's a good question because we are restoring Letty's actual race horse cars or race war car as we speak, and I don't know if it has any. Is there a number on the side of it?
Yeah, there's 4.
Really, I wonder is like a number progression of the cars in the Toretto crew?
But why would Toretto be 3?
He should be number 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And which car is number 1? I gotta go back.
Craig's was 12. The Integra that we have, Monica, that's number 12 as well.
Yeah.
Derek, we're here.
We're here. Yeah.
2,600 miles to get there.
That's so good to state it. That feels so good to state it.
It does, man. We are like, our joints are like kind of like the Tin Man off of Wizard of Oz. We need lubrication. What?
Supra was not built for tall people.
Or shorter people. I don't know.
You curled up in that seat pretty well. Sleeping.
Sleeping? Oh no, the Supra is not a good place to sleep no matter what. I don't care if you're a giant or a little person. No way. That is so cool.
Action.